Hey guys, and just stop by for a viewpoint, the outstanding view of Munnar again and again. This is awesome view. Look at this. Wow, all over the sky is cloud. This side is pretty clear sky sometimes. Sun is coming up. Hey guys, look at this view. This is mesmerizing view of Munnar. I mean, we went to Switzerland, and if I compare in India anywhere I have visited, I think this is the best one. You can compare this view with the Switzerland, those mountains, Alps. This is awesome view. I mean, you can get over it. It's such an awesome view. So we are enjoying a lot. We'll show you everything. Just watch this view. This is so mind-blowing view. Stay with us. Subscribe our channel. Give us a thumbs up. But look at this view. This is so awesome. Hey guys, it's around 12:20. We just reached Laka waterfalls. We'll buy the ticket now. 2. How much? 100. The entry fee is 50 rupees. So per person 50 rupees. This is the way to go to the falls, Laka waterfalls. This is. Hey guys, we are almost near to the falls. Such an awesome view guys, and the water is cold but we are enjoying a lot after so many days near to that falls, and the falls is having monsoon time. Hey guys, we are just going back now from this falls. We stayed around half an hour. I think that's good enough, and we went nearby to the falls, so enjoyed a lot. And it's a bit of a cloudy now, but the sky is clean yet, so we just enjoy a lot. And now we'll be moving to our car and heading to the next destination. So guys, enjoy the video and subscribe our channel. Hey guys, it's around 4 o'clock and we are reaching our third Munnar resort, that's Chandys Wood. That's a 5-star property and we're about to reach. It's around 500 meters from here. We'll see everything, we'll show you all. I'll take, no worries. Yeah, hi, good afternoon. No luggage.
Are you doing vlogs?
Yeah, actually we have YouTube channel.
Yes,
so.
I think so. Your mic was
Okay. Yeah. Explore with my eyes. Yeah, thank you.
We have indoor activities like this. We have in-house working. So we'll go through this way at 7 o'clock, no?
Okay.
And we have a cycle. You can take the cycle ride or something.
Okay.
We have a motorcycle also.
Okay.
If you want to travel in 20 minutes, you can go around here. Evening 5 o'clock, tea plantation walk we have.
Oh,
So
okay.
what time we go through this way.
5 o'clock, right?
And 6 o'clock we have a cooking demonstration.
Okay.
We teach some food, how to make some food in Kerala style or something like that.
Okay.
We have a towel art also, 7 o'clock, how to fold in the towels.
Oh,
We'll
okay.
teach for the customer.
Okay. Nice. This is an artificial waterfalls. This Chandys Windies have. It looks something different. এই জায়গাটা দেখো বোঝাই যাচ্ছে না। হ্যাঁ Oh, okay. This one. You can go, otherwise you can go here and sunset and come here. দেখি না This is a swimming pool. You have one swimming pool, right? Okay. That's the swimming pool. Okay. Oh, this is the Chandys Wood, 5-star property in Munnar. So this is the restroom here. You can see shower area. baggage, cupboards, locker, TV units, water, tea. That's the bed. That's a work desk, sofa, and that's the balcony. You can see the view from the balcony. Go. So right now what we are doing is that tea plantation walk, and you can see that's our stay tonight, Chandys Windies Resort, and the view is really awesome, weather is really good, we're enjoying a lot. These are tea fruits. Hey guys, this is the open restaurant from Chandys Windies Resort. It's around 6 o'clock and the clear sky, the weather is really good today, and it's windy, but we are enjoying this weather. This restaurant is this resort is really good, clean, 5-star property. It's the open rooftop restaurant. Hey guys, we come for dinner. We'll see what is available today. Lemon under veg. This is cream of chicken soup, I think. One vegetarian pepper salt chicken. Also chicken, kadhai mutton, some fries, veg in muslin, eggplant and hot garlic sauce, curry and khichdi, rasam and tintli masala, Malai paneer, dal Punjabi, more curry, Quran, some local dishes I think, rice, fish pulao, Szechuan veg noodles, and these are desserts, coffee mousse, fruits, salads. Rasagolla, and that's the restaurant. Hello guys, we just finished our dinner and we'll just walk around a bit. This is the night. You can see that's our resort, that's rooms, and this is magnificent Munnar. I know you can't see anything, but I feel good. Hey guys, after dinner we just come inside our room. We can see something special. This is really nice gesture. They just made our bed. Look at this. And some fruits, I think that's for complimentary. So it's good. The management is really good. I will talk about all this before we check out. So stay tuned, guys. Good night for today. Good morning from Munnar. We are at Chandys Wood Resort, and it's perfect morning. The sky is clean. Left side you can see there are clouds, but right side it's totally clean sky. The resort is really awesome. The view, the hospitality is really good. Hey guys, we come for the breakfast. So there are a couple of juices here, detox water. I think this is for breads. Chicken curry, grilled sauces, eggs, French toast, cottage potato, paratha, oats, chana masala, bhatura, vada is yet to come, sambar, idli, dosa and Maggi. These are desserts available. Hey guys, so this is our breakfast table. We have taken. Hello guys, it's 9:30. We'll check out from Chandys Wood Resort. That's a 5-star property. And I just wanted to talk about a couple of things about this resort. The stay was good. It's an awesome stay. The view is outstanding. But if you compare to Emberdale Resort, the last night stay, I think Emberdale Resort has much better view from the room, premium room. But from here, I mean, from Chandys Woods, the view from the restaurant is really outstanding. They have nearby tea garden and mountains all over that place. So, and most important thing I just wanted to talk about is the management. Management is really outstanding. Wherever I have visited many places in many countries, but this management is really I'll remember. So, and come to the tariff. So one night for this super deluxe room, the room we are staying, super deluxe room, it's 12,425 rupees plus the night we have taken dinner. That's a buffet dinner. So that buffet we have taken buffet was around 3,000. So more or less it's come around 15,000 per night with dinner and breakfast included. Room was net and clean. It's typical 5-star property. Everything wherever you are seeing it's 5-star touches are there. I mean the cleanness, hospitality, everything. So yeah, the stay was good. Today we are leaving Munnar. We'll be heading for Marari beach. We'll cover Kochi. So that's a 3 hours journey from here. And so stay with us, stay tuned, subscribe our channel. You are liking our videos, our travel blogs. One more thing I just forgot, we got a gift from Chandys Resort, this resort. So they asked for a photo of us and they just printed it here in mugs. So this is a nice gesture from Chandys Woods.